Hi there! Making a connecting loop in steel cable using traditional methods requires the use of crimps, ferrules, and a box full of tools. Introducing the UrbanTrapeze, a versatile and practical product that gives installers a simple, safe, and cost-effective installation method when working with steel cable. UrbanTrapeze revolutionizes the sign hanging industry with its built-in locking mechanism, which automatically grips steel cable to keep the loop securely in place. It's the perfect hardware when installing interior aisle markers, navigational signs, heavier decor items, lighting systems, and HVAC ductwork. Creating a secure loop is quick and easy. Insert one end of cable through either arrow-guided clutch button on the UrbanTrapeze until several inches of cable emerge. To complete the loop, continue threading the cable through the sign connector and the unused clutch button. The built-in clutch automatically secures the cable. Once the loop is completed, you can easily adjust the hanging height or level a sign with the quick push of either clutch button, which lets the cable freely move back and forth. The UrbanTrapeze is compact, aesthetically pleasing, and available in 2 braking strengths. The anodized aluminum housing provides protection against corrosion, ideal for sealing signs in retail, manufacturing, conference, and event environments. Complete your upcoming installations with the greatest of ease using the UrbanTrapeze. For more information on both models, visit ceilingoutfitters.com or call 972-588-1555 today.